I pick a side, and I pick a side for what? Grow it out. Yeah. Hi. Hi guys. It's been a week, but that's because I was on vacaciones. That's probably not real Spanish. Anyways, my scalp is really dirty and itchy, so I've been putting aloe on my scalp. That helps with flakes and hydration, okay, y'all, and itchiness. So yeah, it helps you with soothing your skin. So I've just been putting. I found this in my sister's pantry, and so naturally it was an unused bottle, so now it's mine. Okay. Free. It's for the free 5-finger discount. Anyways, this is, I think she probably got this from like Ross or something, or TJ Maxx. She loves a bargain and she likes to get skincare stuff there. So yeah, people usually use this for like, you know, sunburns. I don't really know about that life too much, but I'm gonna use it on my scalp though. So yeah, Stella, you know, the cat, if you've watched my videos in the past, every once in a while you'll see Stella, the little cat. She's actually full grown. She's older than 2 years. She's just really petite, but she's not here. She's at cat care, like daycare, but like for cats. While we were gone, we didn't leave her here. Like, are you kidding me? It was like 6 days. We're not gonna leave her in the house by herself. No. Anyways, but yeah, I like these. So, and this doesn't have any artificial dyes, parabens, or phosphates. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, but yeah, I just literally just been squirting it on my scalp and rubbing it around everywhere. Like, it itches sometimes, and yeah, it honestly feels really good. And I just like rub it in with the pads of my fingers, like these parts, and I just massage it in, massage it in. What's that? What is that? What is that? What is that for? What is that commercial of? I don't know. Is it McDonald's? I don't know. But literally I just do that and I just massage it in. And honestly this helps. Usually I do this not like kind of like a pre-poo, I guess, but only on my scalp because that's all that needs it. So if you like suffer from dry scalp, try this. It might work. But that's all. I gotta wash my hair and I'll be back. But yeah, it's nice and cakey on them. And I'm sure it's good for your scalp health anyways, so yes. I'm gonna leave this on for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna take a shower. And that's all I do. That's all I do, literally. So yeah. Y'all, my skin's looking really clear besides this and this and that. I'll talk about that in another video because I kind of did screw up my face a little bit, because other than that it'd be pretty clear. So now I gotta deal with these scars and they're pretty dark, so it's a bit annoying, but the skin's getting pretty clear. But yeah, I'll talk about that later because I kind of burned my face. We're gonna talk about that later. Just let me know in the comments if you want to know why my face got burnt. So I'll probably tell you anyways, but you know, I love to engage with y'all, so like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you like about my videos, what I can improve on, because this is just about me improving as a person. We're trying to level up, okay? 2021 is about leveling up, being the best me I can be, okay? So yeah, This is a passage. This is a journey. I'm done, I'm sorry. I'm rambling. I'm talking about nonsense. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later when I get out the shower. And let's just talk about stuff. Let's just have a conversation. A conversation, alright? Alright, okay, bye. Hello, I'm back. I almost forgot what I was doing. So I just twisted up my hair. All I did was put in the Kinky Coily leave-in conditioner. Let me show you. Real quick. Oh, I forgot I have to clean out the shower. But yeah, this is what I use. The Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Conditioner. Well, leave-in and detangler. So I use that. And this is how it's looking. Juicy. And I'm trying to start to grow my hair out again. Before I was just like, you know, cutting my hair willy-nilly, but now I think I'm ready to grow it out. Like, I want to have my hair on my shoulders one day while it's shrunken. That's a lot of hair for me. So honestly, new journey alert, growing my hair out. And I can't really do hair, so I'm gonna try and figure out some protective styles that are, you know, beginner friendly, because I very much so am a beginner and don't know how to braid or anything. So we're gonna be figuring it out together. So if you're trying to grow your hair out and you're doing the natural hair detox too, let's co-op these two together and you know, shabang. That didn't make any sense. But yeah, let's grow our hair out while maintaining no creams, no oils. I want to see how it goes. Okay, I want to see how it goes. I want to see the long term how this goes. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'm about to go eat some food because I think I didn't have a meal yet, and it's like 1 something in the afternoon, so that's a problem. That's probably why I'm acting weird. I'm all bewildered. But anyways, I will get back to y'all. I think this is the end of the video, I guess. I don't know what's going on. But what was this video even about? Me washing my hair? Or was it me twisting it? I don't know, but I just did like medium twists. So yeah, they're still wet. I just put a scarf on so it flattens on the top. Y'all, I'm getting my second dose tomorrow. I wanted to have it before I left because I wanted to be fully vaccinated, but I was supposed to get the Johnson & Johnson, but then they canceled the day before I was supposed to get it because, you know, people were dying, but only 6 people died out of like millions probably. So I was willing to take my chances. Plus, I think it was like 3 out of those 6 women had been taking birth control, which has a very high rate of getting blood clots. So, and I'm not even on birth control, so I think I would have been fine, and I think most people would have been fine, but whatever. Disregard. Oh, you can't see it. There's a pile of stuff my sister left in here. But yeah, I will get back to you guys. I don't know when. I'm probably gonna upload this on Wednesday just to get back on my regular schedule because I took a week off because I was on vacation. But Wednesday I'll upload this because I upload hair videos on Wednesdays, and then on Sunday I'll be posting a video of me while I was in Portland. I'm kind of just like showing you guys around what it's like being in Portland. It was really fun, my first time being there. Really cool. And I got to do like Twilight stuff, which was really fun because some of you guys don't know, but I am a little bit of a Twilight fan. No, I did not read the books, but I watched the movie. I watched the movies. The books were too big for me to keep focus on these really sad characters. so I was not about to read it, but I watched the movies. But a trilogy that I really enjoyed, that I read the books of, was Hunger Games. I read the whole trilogy. I really actually liked the last book the most. The last movie was not that good, but the last book, I liked it. A lot of people don't like it because they don't get the like ending that they want or whatever with Gale and stuff, but like screw Gale, it was kind of annoying anyways. I don't know, love triangles are fun, but usually I pick a side, and I pick a side for life. By the way, I was Team PETA, so you guys don't care. This is so irrelevant to what this video was even about, even though I don't even know what this video was about. But anyways, I'm starting a journey and I'm growing my hair out, and we're about to have fun. All right, I'm gonna go because I don't have a clue of what else I'm gonna say. So, you know the deal. You know what's up. I hope you're doing good. I hope you stay well, and I hope you stay safe. Oh my god. And I hope you don't do anything I wouldn't do. I sang a lot. Okay. All right. Bye.